I think I'd be willing to do a little bit of work, put in a little bit extra money to get a house in this location.
This is a very large separate dining room.
Oh, this is a pretty good sized room.
Yeah, this is a pretty big room.
And I don't think we'd have to do a lot either. I mean, just a coat of paint and tear up the carpet.
Yeah, the carpet in here would definitely have to go.
Wow, this needs to be completely redone.
Yeah, this is not what I was hoping to see.
I can't even say anything positive about it.
There's no way I would live with a kitchen like this. It all needs to be replaced. The cabinets, the appliances, the counters, everything. I know Manny really likes this area and wants to find a house here, but I have a lot of concerns about this house. It needs a lot of work, and I just don't think we can.
All three bedrooms are upstairs. Definitely pretty big.
Here too, throughout the hall. So we can pull up all the carpet up.
Yeah,
This would also have to go.
absolutely.
First, here is the upstairs bathroom.
Definitely needs some updating.
Yeah, I think
Pepper.
it needs a lot of updating, actually.
Pepper, are you okay?
Pretty bad in here.
What do you mean?
The